Hello everybody, here's Angel Batista, lead of upholstery here at ECD, and today we're going to talk about a new exciting product that we're bringing to ECD, which is our Jaguar E-Type. Very nice, very classic. We're going to talk about the luxury interior for these cars, and we're going to start with the dash. So here we have a dash that we wrapped in spinny back. It's called Veloute Pelé. It's from spinny back leather, and we just gave it a touch with a double top stitching in the front, which they don't come like that. This was an option that we added for the client, and many options to coming soon. Again, this is our first product, so we're just getting our feet wet with this. Another thing that this client asked for, instead of having your normal classic seats in the E-Type, he picked the Recaro seats. So the design he picked for this one was vertical lines, which is these lines you see here, the stitching. And these seats, they come in a solid black, which is not much of an option. But here at ECD, we give you multiple options. As you can see, he wanted the vertical lines, but you can also, if you get creative, here's another design that you might want to think about, which is the double diamond stitching, which is double diamonds. Or you could just pick the single diamonds. Pretty much any pattern that you really want to pick or comes to your mind, we can make it happen here. This is all the patterning. As you can see, they're already cut out. We add some foam padding in the back to give it more cushion to it, more feel, more comfortability. So this is all the other parts that are going to go. These go on the sides of the Recaro seats. These go on the upper outsides. They're also going to get top stitching all around it, the same color of the center stitching. It's going to get, this one particularly is only going to get heated. The heated system underneath is just for heated only, but you can get heated and cooled, but it would be the Recaro orthopeds that come with the whole system, or we can add it if we can't find a seat for you. Here are the door cards for this E-Type, again with the spinny back leather. They normally, they obviously don't come like this. We take everything off of it and we put all the foam padding new, the leather, and we wrap it around and we just make it look as best as we can, perfect as we can. It's gonna get these silver pieces that are gonna go to give it some details and make it look different. Not too complex for this, but if it could get complex if the client wants to get creative and say, hey, I want to do some diamond stitching on it, or if I want to add a piece of padding with something to make it pop out, 3D kind of look, could happen. So here's an example of, here we have Lana. First of all, here we have Lana, our sewer, our seamstress. She's doing the stitching I was talking to you about, which we do in-house. All of our stitching we do in-house and by hand. So she's just giving it the vertical stitch, which is all of our upholstery is very similar to Defenders. Again, this is spinny back, but we could use Garrett, hides, or any leather you choose, or from any brand, and we could put it in your E-Type. And again, any design, any seats, anything you guys can come up with, we'll make it happen here.